everyone, welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. Yes, if you are just joining me for the first time, my channel is all about creating design. Yes, creating passive income designs that make you money on print on demand site. If you're all about making passive income from print on demand, then my channel is that channel you want to always watch every single week. I release videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if you don't want to miss out on any video, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you've not done that. Yes, I want to make a quick shout out to my new subscribers. I always do this on every video as soon as I get the update. So if you see your name on the screen, I just want to appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for the follow. I really appreciate. Thank you for the subscribing pattern and all. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been amazing. For my returning subscribers who always watch my video every single time I release them, I want to appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for really being there for me. I don't want to waste too much time on this video, so I'm going to go straight right into it. Yes, I saw that my last video, which was the Photoshop kind, did not work well, so it's obvious you guys like the Canva video, so I'm going to obviously stick to that. So I'm going to be opening canva.com for this one. So we are going to be using Canva for our design. So just go straight to click on create a design. I will go straight right into the design. If you stick around for a long period of time, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free from me for 30 days. Yes, you heard me right, a free gift for watching this video. You're going to get Canva Pro free from me for 30 days if you've not gotten that already. So just please stick around. I'm going to show you how to get that. So now to start with, your dimension is going to be 4500 by 5400. So yes, let's do that without wasting much of your time. So we create a new design. It's going to open on a new tab. As you can see, I use Canva Pro, except I'm not logged into my Canva Pro. Majority of the time I use Canva Pro for my design. And for this, it's not going to be any different. I'm going to use Canva Pro again, and I'm going to go to Elements. Yes, you already know me by now. You can call me the Canva element guy. I love to use a lot of elements for this. I'm going to do beer. Stick around. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a fun design. I want you to stick around so that you don't miss a thing. So I'm going to filter by Pro only. So I'm going to apply filter. Yes, I'm on Pro, so I can do this. If you're not on Pro, you will not be able to do this, but I'm on Pro, so I can do this. So let's get this done. So now I'm just going to find a cool beer bottle or beer image I can use. Let's see this one. Okay, it's going to be mostly on a black shirt, so I don't want it to be totally black, as you can see. So let's see if we can find another. Let's see if we can find another. Okay. So for this, okay, let's see, we can use this. So just make it a little bit bigger than what it is right about now. So now I'm just going to increase this. So to do that, I'm just going to move my cursor to this edge, press on my left mouse click button and drag my mouse outwards to increase this a bit and just find the middle spot. So now this is just the first step. As you can see, we've gotten that out of the way. So now the next step will be to put a box on this and make it a little bit transparent. So to do that, let's go to shapes or elements and yes, get rid of this and let's just do shapes. It should load out shape for us. Okay, let's do shapes. Let's find shapes. Okay, see all. I think I have the shape already, so I'm just gonna find it. Just gonna find my shape. Okay, this is taking too long. Okay, this is the shape, so I'm just gonna click on it, as you can see. So I'm just gonna make it not so wide, as you can see, just enough to cover the box. So I'm just gonna drag that like so. I'm just gonna do that for this edge. It's not difficult. All you have to do is to move your cursor to this edge, press down your left mouse click button, drag down or up to increase it. Then now you click on this transparency and we just reduce it to about 50. As you can see, just increase it to about 50. So for this box, I want it, okay, let's just move this a bit like so. Yes, for this box you can see the color, so I'll try to change the color a bit. and see what we can get out of that. Okay, so now we'll have it like that, but I'll prefer, okay, if it's something like this will make more sense. So now we see we have it that way. We have it that way. So we just move it a bit to the left. Okay, so I like the way it is positioned. So now I'm going to duplicate this box and make it bigger. Now move it to the back. So to do that, I'm just going to press my Alt key button and duplicate this box. Okay, like that. And I'll just increase it a bit like so. I'll do that again for this edge like so. Okay, and I'll do that again for this edge. Okay, so now we have that all set up. So you see it's created this kind of effect we want. So we'll just reduce this a bit. Okay, so we have that effect we want. Now I'm just going to go to my text without wasting much time. Just click and find a good text. I need a bold text, so I'll first increase this one. So to move, you move your cursor to this circular shape, press down your left mouse click button as usual, and just drag that out. And let's find a good text, a bold text we can use. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, perfect. So now we're just going to do bring. Okay, so now we have bring. We're just going to increase that. Okay, so that it can fill in this box. Okay, I hope you're getting it. So we just try to fill it in this box. So now we'll duplicate this one. We're just going to duplicate this one. Let's see. Press your Alt key button again and click your left mouse click button and just drag downwards. You just drag that downwards. So okay, perfect. So now we double tap. So do some with this. I'll click on this again and you press down your Alt key button, your left mouse click button, and you drag downwards again to give you that effect, just like the last one. So now this is gonna say remove. Okay, so now that we have this, quite simple, we'll just click on this and this, click on that, and that, and on that. So now we can group these three layers together as you saw. So I clicked use the three layer. Now I can move these three layers together like so. And we'll have that just set in the right place where we want it to be. And now we are good to go. As you can see, we've created something very unique, something very sweet. And now you can do this for as much as you want. You can click this and change the colors. If you want to change the color, you can change the color around. You can change the color to, let's say, a gray. If you want it to be gray, you can change it to gray or a darker gray. You can change this to white if you want it to be white, like so. So you can just do it like that, different. So I like it the way it is. Now the next step is to get rid of this white box, and to do that you need to be on Canva Pro. So to get Canva Pro, make sure you check the first link in the description to get Canva Pro, so that you can get all your design without the white background. You need your designs to come without the white background. So let's do that. I'm on Canva Pro, as you already know. So I click on it, hit the transparent background PNG only, and you click on download. And simple as ABC, not complicated, super easy design to create for yourself. Super easy design to create for yourself. Now we have that all done, so we can check it out for ourselves and see what I was just designing, how it came out. And now if you click on it, you can see it came out without the white background on the side, and you have these edges. You see these edges, it came out just the way we wanted it. It says bring some bold. So yes, you can see our design, and it took us just about 9 minutes to get this done, not so complicated. So if you enjoyed this design, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share the video so that others can learn and create passive income from print on demand, creating their own design. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.